Let's talk about the setup of the AB-1266 planar magnetic headphone by Abyss. The headphones come out of the box without the ear pads attached. The front of the headphone is located by looking at where the connectors plug in. You'll notice that it faces forward for your left side and right side. The ear pads are angled. You'll notice there's a seam in the leather, which allows you an easy location for where to place it on the baffle of the headphone. Normally, to start, you're going to want to use this seam and put it around 10 or 11 o'clock on the baffle. Notice there's holes on the other side of the ear pad that allow you to lock it in place on the studs on the front baffle. We'll take our seam here, we'll put it around 10 or 11 o'clock, and it should snap into place. Same with the other side. We'll use the seam on the leather. We'll line it up with the seam that we just placed on this side. And again, turn it a little bit till it snaps into place and they're both lined up. The aluminum headband is split into two sections. In order to adjust the width, hold both halves, wiggle and pull to loosen, push to tighten. A good place to start is to fully extend the headband, place the headphones on your head, and check for fit. What you're aiming for is the surface of the ear pad to be parallel to and barely touching the sides of your head. If you find the headphones to be too tight, simply lift and rotate and try another position on the ear pads. Keep in mind that the headphones can be towed in and out to also aid in fitting. The headphones come set to fit a majority of listeners. If you find your head is outside the range of adjustment, the aluminum headband can be bent inward or outward to give you greater range. For example, let's say you want more space or distance between the ear pads and the sides of your head. Grab the side of the band and the top of the band with your two hands, using your thumb as pressure points at the angled portion, and bend outward. Keep in mind that a small change in angle here affords a large change in distance. Do the same on the other side of the headband, again using two hands and your thumbs as pressure points. Bend outward a little bit so the two angles are close. Your Abyss dealer has experience in the adjustment of these headphones. Contact them if you have any further questions.